Alright, this may sound a little embarrassing, but I actually recorded before this, but the entire time I wasn't recording because I actually forgot to press the record button. Super embarrassing. What's good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Here at the Dad Life, I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, I'm going to do a little how to cop video of the ADIDAS Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Zyon colorway that is set to release this Saturday. As well as I got a pair of sneakers that I actually picked up from the GOAT app. I'll show you guys what I picked up at the end of this video. In this video right now, pause this video and comment below how you guys feel about these Yeezys. I really want to know your guys' personal opinion about this. Is this hype? Is this just another 350 V2, or are you guys actually feeling these, and or this a must cop for your collection? You guys let me know right now, so make sure you guys pause this right now and go comment down below.
A few moments later.
This was originally supposed to come out on May 30th, and then it got pushed back to June 13th, or was it the 14th? And then it got pushed back again to July, I believe was that, what's today's date? I think July 18th, that's now's the new date this Saturday. I don't even know my dates right now. So if you guys want to enter the raffle for this sneaker, make sure you guys go enter the raffle on the ADIDAS app. And you guys already know with Yeezy supply, it's a first come first serve deal. You pretty much have to wait in the waiting room. I really do not like Yeezy supply and how you have to wait forever on the waiting room. I feel like you could be on that for like 5-6 hours if you're really dedicated to wanting a shoe. And do not sleep on these. These will definitely still be hard to get, even though it's a general release. The reason why I say that, because if you look at your Flex app, selected retailer stores like Foot Locker, Champs, I'm not sure if Foot Action gets Yeezys like that. Make sure you guys go check out your Flex app. I know I know some Foot Lockers out here are actually closed because of the whole pandemic thing. That's the reason why it's actually on my Flex app, but none of the Foot Lockers and Champs are getting them, and they normally do get Yeezys 350 V2s, but since the malls are closed, unfortunately, they're not getting them. Make sure you guys go enter all your raffles. I know some of the raffles are probably ending today, tomorrow, or maybe Friday, so make sure you guys jump on it. Make sure you guys put in that work, because if you guys don't put in that work, you won't get that W. So if you guys want more help trying to get a lot of these sneakers for retail, I actually recently joined a cook group called Cooking Essentials. Make sure you guys go check them out. I know you guys probably been hearing about Cooking Essentials. It is ran by a big YouTuber. I'm not sure if he wanted me to disclose his name, but I'll probably disclose his name. If you guys, some of you guys probably know who it is. I feel like cook groups nowadays is essential when it comes to the sneaker community, just because a lot of people struggle trying to cop pairs for retail. I feel like I can't even get a W on a general release, and that's the reason why I'm in cook groups. I told these guys that I do not want any commission out of it. I just want to be able to help my viewers and my supporters that are struggling trying to get shoes, to give them the opportunity to get what they need and information what they need in order to get shoes for retail. Essential Cook Group is pretty much a cook group where they actually have automated bots. There's early links that you could get before the sneaker actually drops. For instance, like the waiting rooms, a lot of people wait till like it pops up on Twitter or something like that late. You could get these links early and have them a day early. They do giveaways. I think I mentioned that before. The one thing that I really like that I've never seen before on a cook group is that they have their cook group organized by releases. So if you want to know more information about the Zyons, they actually have a discussion group specifically talking about that release. If you guys want more information where to cop these, specifically all the stores that are getting them, they will have that information. If you guys want to check it out, make sure you guys check out the description down below. They do a monthly membership, but like I said, it is really worth it in my opinion when it comes to any cook groups, but specifically this. Make sure you guys go check them out. If you guys want to save some money, make sure you guys go use my discount code down below in the description box. I do have a sneaker here I want to show you guys. I told you guys I got this from GOAT. I already opened it, as you guys can see. It's an orange and white Nike box. You guys probably know what it is if you follow me on Instagram. This one is probably a colorway that I I kind of regret getting, just because seeing these bad boys in person, I don't really know if I really like these. Personally, I really dig these Dunk Lows. I think it's this orange that kind of throws it off. I really like this navy blue on this sneaker, but I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna hold on to these to see what the resale value is going to look like in the near future. You guys already know with these Nike Dunk Lows or Nike Dunks in general, they're always going to have resale value. So I think this is a good hold for me. I'm trying to see if hopefully these will go up to like 400 to 500 range in the near future. I honestly see it going that high, and hopefully I could use this as trade bait. So we'll see what happens. You guys let me know in the comment section below how you guys feel about these dunks. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are going after these Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Zyon colorway. Are you guys excited about this release, man? That is pretty much it for me. Like I said, if you guys see this new little scenery type deal backdrop, it's because I'm in my new crib, my new place for the next 4 or 5 months. I want to show you guys this view. This view is crazy here in San Diego, man. This is dope, man. Look, check out this view. This is the Coronado Islands. This is pretty much where I'm staying. You can pretty much see downtown from here and the Coronado Bridge over there. You really can't go wrong with this spot. Like, it's dope. The window is huge. Like, look how big this window is, guys. Like, it's really crazy. That's 2 big windows right here. Pretty much this is the kitchen over here. I'll give you guys a little tour, and then the living room. And as you guys can see, baby Rose is asleep over there, so she is just knocked out. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. I have a lot more content coming on the way, so make sure you guys press the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. You guys stay blessed, stay healthy. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Till next time, peace.